Welcome back everyone to VBA to Z. In a prior video we have seen various ways of dealing with the data in SQL Server, updating them, synchronizing them, adding them, and so on. In this video I'll show you how to delete the data based on various conditions and criteria. We'll try to look at various examples of how to achieve that. So first of all, I'm gonna get rid of this SQL, the code that we've written for SharePoint server, and I'll just get this thing, the one we have written earlier for update. I'll just paste it here. We'll call this delete data SQL table, and then so let's do this example first. For example, here it's all the same, but anyways, let me quickly go through this again. So this is opening the, setting up the connection, and this is setting up my connection string, opening my connection, and here you put in your user ID and password. Like I've said earlier, this most of the setup are done for Windows authentication, so you can leave this blank, but if you need to put a password and user ID, this is where you'll fit in the user ID and the password. And then this is setting my record set. And then there are various ways to do that, but we'll first look at this method. So we're setting up a record set, and then this is my SQL statement to open the data from the flow TV. And then this is, let's look at our data first. Let's say that we want to delete all the data from the state of NJ. Okay, so we'll say that where state is equal to NJ, and then we're opening a dynamic or domestic, and then we're looping through each of the record set. So if you don't loop and then you just say rst, rst dot delete, if you don't loop and just have this line somewhere like this, it's just, if there are more cases of NJ here, it's just gonna delete the first one only. So you have to loop through each of the record set, and then rst dot delete is what you need to do, and then you can move next record set, and then you can exit the loop once it's done. So let's try and run this code and see if it works. So I'm gonna run this. Okay, it's done. Let me refresh. So you see that all the records with NJ has been deleted. So let's try one more. Let's do for CA, so California. So there are two records here, so let's see if it works. So run this, come back, refresh. So you see that there is no record for CA, the state CA. All the records with CA has been deleted. Okay, so this is one way to delete the data in your SQL in the table. In our next video I'll show you how you can use the SQL command that can delete the data without you having to look through all the records. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.